Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to view or how to add your name on the lock screen in this device. For this, open the control center. So here you can see the option focus. Press and hold the focus. So here you can see the option plus button to create a new focus. Tap on this one. Tap on focus. So here you need to enter the name that you want to view on your lock screen. So here I am going to enter the name. And you can change the color also. And you can change the icons also, you can change. I'm going to change this one. Okay, now tap on next, custom focus. That's it. Now again open the control center, press and hold the focus mode. Now you can see your name is here. Tap on this one. Now it is on. Now lock the device. You can see your name is here on the lock screen. You can see. So simply in this way you can create or you can add your name on the lock screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.